Most people never learn this squat trick. You just did. Toes up, more glutes. Heels up, more quads.
I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Save this and come back stronger. Your dumbbell rows aren't wrong, but they could be much better.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and
save this and come back stronger. Want bigger biceps? This is one of the most effective curls you can do.
They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.
Save this and come back stronger. This workout will leave your upper body shaking in the best way. Hammer curl.
Fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay.
Dumbbell pullover.
Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat
kick
in
back.
Your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past
lateral raise.
And you find a door, open it up, and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do.
Bent row barbell.
Even when you feel low, you can
save this and come back stronger. No gym? No problem. This chair workout hits every muscle.
I never answer to no, man, I still go.
Save this and come back stronger. All you need is your body weight and a pair of dumbbells to crush your abs. 3 sets of 15. 3 sets of 15 each side. 3 sets of 15. 3 sets of 15 each side. 3 sets of 20. Save this and come back stronger. Think your abs are strong? Try this and find out. Russian twist with plate. V-sit twist. Flutter kicks. V-sit hold. Mountain climbers. Save this and come back stronger. Bigger arms start with stronger forearms. Watch this.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain.
Save this and come back stronger. Want 3D shoulders? All you need is dumbbells. Front delt. Side delt. Rear delt. Save this and come back stronger. You're strong. Now let's make your shoulder press perfect. Save this and come back stronger.